Planning your vacation can be exciting, but with so many destinations to choose from, how do you find the best one for 2024? Here are some quick tips to help you make the right choice. Firstly, consider your interests and preferences. Do you seek adventure, relaxation, or cultural experiences? Knowing what you enjoy will narrow down your options. Secondly, do some research and stay up to date with the latest travel trends. Check out travel blogs, websites, and listen to recommendations from fellow travelers. Next, think about the weather. Depending on what you prefer, whether it's warm beaches or snowy mountains, choose a destination that aligns with your desired climate. Furthermore, take into account the safety factor. Check travel advisories and consider destinations that have a good reputation for safety and security. Social media platforms can also be a valuable resource. Watch engaging and fun YouTube shorts showcasing various destinations. These videos are usually informative and provide a glimpse into what you can expect. Additionally, consider the budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend and choose a destination that fits within your financial means. Lastly, consult with a travel agent or seek advice from experienced travelers. Their insights and expertise can be invaluable in finding the perfect vacation spot. By following these tips and using the numerous resources available, you'll be well equipped to choose the best vacation destination for an unforgettable trip in 2024.